Let's see how ChatGPT, an AI tool with almost infinite knowledge, together with ActivePresenter, an authoring tool with unlimited features for e-learning design, combining, helps you make an amazing e-learning interactive quiz.
What's up guys, Clay here. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will have a ChatGPT and ActivePresenter tutorial to show you how this two tools combination can help you boost your productivity as well as reduce your burden of work when creating e-learning content like a quiz. So no matter who you are, as long as you are working on a quiz and you are seeking for a quick and effective solution, you are at the right place. And now, let's get started. So how can we make use of ChatGPT in the field of education, especially in creating e-learning content like quizzes? Simple. Use it as a tool to research for information as well as generate ideas, context, and examples. Then, do fact-check the results based on your knowledge to make sure that the content has the accuracy and the depth. ChatGPT is like a personal tutor and supporter. The more specifically you ask and interact with it, the more it gives you the accurate information. It can help you brainstorm, find your arguments, defend your ideas more firmly once you know how to exploit this infinite intelligent source. Now suppose that I'm a teacher having so many tasks to handle at once, mark the tasks, come up with the lesson content, prepare for the quizzes and presentations, and so on. So I will rely on ChatGPT for the content preparation. So on the screen now is my input to ChatGPT, and remember that the more specific, the better. So it will take time for this chatbot to provide you with the full answer. So in the meantime, just leave it there and go back to the unfinished work. For example, mark the test. Now once done, you have had the whole content for your quiz here, but remember that ChatGPT is just an AI tool, which means that not everything is correct and perfect. So to make the most use of it, you have to do fact check and interact with it more to help you and the tool to recognize the other's error, and this will help you guys build the most efficient content for your quiz. Normally, how do you create a quiz using any app or website? Add each question and answer like this. So time-consuming. The workaround here is to create a CSV file from spreadsheets or Excel, and you have had your content built in ChatGPT earlier. All you have to do is to go back and forth between two websites and the app and to copy and paste the content. Then import the file to ActivePresenter like this. All the questions have been inserted automatically. Details about the rules when setting up a CSV file can be found in the video at the top right corner here. Do not forget to check out. And you can still directly create a quiz in ActivePresenter using the 13 built-in question types in the question type here. Just go back and forth between ChatGPT and ActivePresenter to copy and paste the content. Going forward to stage 3, all questions and answers are here now. All you need to do is customize the whole quiz layout as you want. And it is as easy as editing slides in PowerPoint, but with much more advanced functions. For example, at the slide master here, you can change the background for the whole slides, or add more objects like logo, watermark, so on. Next, pay attention to the interactivity type of each question. This is the place where we will decide which events and actions will take place each time the user interacts with the quiz. By default, each question has its own settings for the events and actions. However, you can see that you can add more and delete them as you want. And what if you are having the same object on many slides, like the submit button here? And you want to customize them at the same time in batches, not each of them one by one? With ActivePresenter and a few clicks, you're done. Now with this type of interactive quiz, you must export your project to eLearning formats here. When you export it to HTML5, users can view and interact with the content easily on the website like this. Meanwhile, exporting to SCORM or XAPI package will allow you to publish your course to any learning management system like Moodle, Talent LMS, SCORM Cloud, and so on. And it is easy to track for learners' performance based on the options that each LMS provides. So this is how you combine two effective tools to make your work much easier with less burden. There are still controversies about this famous chatbot, ChatGPT. However, being capable of fully making use of it all depends on you. Don't turn any software into the reasons for you to be lazy, but make them as the tool to unleash your creativity. And with the combo ChatGPT and ActivePresenter, not only quiz making, but also video editing and content creation is much easier and more fun than ever, I guarantee. Subscribe to our YouTube channel now for more e-learning helpful content. And goodbye for now.